Hi and welcome to the Getting Started series of tutorials for the Vivo authoring tool. I'm Vicky, and over the next few videos I'll be putting together a quick course to show you how to get going with the software. In this tutorial we're going to have a look at how to get your course set up and just generally guide you around the layout of Vivo. So this is what you see when you first open up Vivo, and you can jump straight into setting up your course by clicking the Quick Start button. This brings up a pop-up where you can quickly structure your course. So just going through, I'm going to pop this in my tutorials folder and call it Getting Started with Vivo. It's going to be a short one, so I'm just going to leave it at the one chapter, but you can easily add more using the slider. From here, you have the option to go straight into designing your first page. In this case, I'm actually going to click here so I can continue setting up my main menu. Now you can see you've got your course in the list with one chapter, and there's one page that's been automatically added for you. You can add another page by clicking Add Page here. And you get a pop-up which will give you the option to either add a blank page or use one of the inbuilt templates. Once you've got the structure of your course set up, you will probably want to give each bit a name. To do that, you just double click and type it in here. The next thing you can do is start customizing the appearance of your course menu. Select Design Main Menu from your options on the left hand side and click Select Background Image. I'm going to import an image of my own by browsing on my computer. Then click OK. Now you can have a bit of a play with how you want your image to look using the settings in this menu. Next, I'm going to change the colour of my buttons to coordinate with the picture. You can see it's starting to look pretty good. You can then take the customization of the look a little bit further by adding images for your chapter buttons. I'll use one that I've already imported into Vivo. You can also change the size and layout of the chapter buttons, which is especially good if you've got lots of chapters in your course. I'm just going to use the slider and make my chapter button into a bit more of a square shape. Lastly, I'm going to add a progress bar to my chapter so learners can see how far they are through my course. So that's the basics of setting up your course and menu. If you do want to know more about any part of the software, you can click on these little help icons that are dotted around. And as you can see, you will get a pop-up with a full explanation of what's going on there. Once you've pressed save here, you're ready to start creating pages. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.